Welcome, enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a journey through the realms of innovation and cutting-edge technology. Join us as we explore the transformative impact of edtech's solar films, Piomedics structural rehabilitation solutions, Shenhao digital safety supervisors' workplace safety advancements, and the eco-friendly initiatives of Han Plastics and Procopy in outdoor furniture. We'll also delve into sustainable building solutions with PLAEX, SureWall's excellence in retaining wall systems, and the professional insulation expertise of STYRPOR. Whether it's revolutionizing energy, construction, safety, or sustainability, these trailblazing technologies are reshaping the way we live and build for a better future. 10. Placio. A new, cutting-edge company called Placio works on solar pavement solutions. Imagine sidewalks and public spaces that are driven by the sun. It's no longer just a dream with Placio. Not only are these solar pavements good for the environment, they are also very flexible and can be used to power streetlights, electric cars, and other things. Placio is important for more than just making energy. It makes cities more environmentally friendly while also working with current infrastructure. Placio is changing the way we think about making energy with reliability and style in mind. The usefulness of Placio doesn't change when people walk or drive on it. This method makes it easy for renewable energy to become a part of our everyday lives. It's a small step for us, but a huge leap for the environment. 9. Plaix Building Systems. Let's take a look at the groundbreaking PLAEX building systems, which will change the way buildings are made. PLAEX brings a new, cutting-edge way of building that puts economy and sustainability first. Their innovative movable building system lets buildings be put together quickly, which cuts down on construction times by a huge amount. But PLAEX isn't just about speed. It also cares about doing things in a way that doesn't hurt the earth. These things are made of strong, eco-friendly materials. PLAEX improves building projects, which cuts down on waste and energy use. It's a game-changing idea that meets the needs of modern building and fits with our shared goal of making the future better. We'll let you know more about PLAEX's effect on the building business soon. This is PLAEX Building Systems making the future last. 8. Han Plastics. Han Plastics has changed the way plastic solutions are made. They are a leader in the area of sustainable innovation. Han Plastics makes new materials that go against what most people think is right because they care about the earth. The eco-friendly products they make are long-lasting and sustainable, which goes against what most people think of plastics as. The outdoor furniture, decking, and yard accessories that Han Plastics makes are all great combinations of good looks and usefulness. Han Plastics is a great example of an environmentally friendly business because it focuses on recovered and recyclable materials. This will help make the future more sustainable. Come with us as we look into how Han Plastics has had a huge effect on the cutting edge of sustainability. Han Plastics wants to find the eco-friendly solutions that will form tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts here. 7. The Procopy. Welcome to Procopy, the most stylish place to be outside. Procopy, a leader in outdoor furniture, has mastered the art of making luxurious settings that look great and are useful at the same time. Procopy's outdoor solutions take ordinary places and turn them into amazing adventures with a strong focus on quality and good design. With its beautiful loungers and smart dining sets, Procopy makes outdoor life better. The use of high-quality materials guarantees longevity, and the careful craftsmanship shows that Procopy is dedicated to doing the best job possible. Come with us on a trip to the land of Procopy, where nature is turned into works of art. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned as we explore the heights of outdoor style with Procopy. 6. SureWall. With SureWall, you can enter the world of structural security. SureWall is more than just a name. It's a promise of security and new ideas in the building industry. SureWall is an expert in retaining wall systems and has cutting-edge solutions that change the way structures are built. These engineering wonders are not only long-lasting, but they also look great and fit in with a lot of different settings. SureWall makes building a retaining wall easier and gives you choices that are both quick and cheap. Come with us as we look at how SureWall has changed the way resilient systems are built. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a look into the world of SureWall, where every building is strong and safe. 5. edtech. Heliotech will take you on a journey into the future of solar tech. The way we use solar energy has changed because Heliotech was one of the first companies to work on solar technology. Instead of rigid panels, their state-of-the-art organic solar films make it possible for solar systems that are more bendable and lighter, as proof of its dedication to the environment. Heliotech's energy transfer technology can turn almost any surface into a possible energy source. The new ideas from Heliotech, such as photovoltaics that are built into buildings and portable solar applications, are altering the way we consider green energy. Come with us as we look at Heliotech's huge effect on the solar industry. 4. VINL, or horizontal spare. In building, VINL, or horizontal spare, is a new way to protect against rising damp on the horizontal plane. This innovative, well-thought-out method not only stops water from getting in, but it also protects the structure for a long time. The VINL, or horizontal spare, has a smart design that makes it easy to attach to a wide range of building materials. It protects reliably against dangers related to moisture. Come with us as we look at how VINL, or horizontal spare, has changed the construction business. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a more in-depth look at how this cutting-edge technology is changing the way protection solutions are made in the future. 3. PileMeg. PileMeg, a leader in the construction business, is changing the way that columns and piles are fixed and made stronger. Their new cutting-edge method uses modern materials and cutting-edge techniques to make solutions that last and don't cost a lot of money. PileMeg's engineered composites are a revolutionary way to make buildings last longer and be more resistant to damage. They can be used on anything from bridge piers that are breaking down to old infrastructure. Take a trip with us through the world of PileMeg, where puzzles about structures are solved in creative ways. 2. Shenhao Digital Safety Supervisor. Get ready for a new era of safety at work with Shenhao Digital Safety Supervisor. Shenhao is a big deal when it comes to job safety because he came up with a new way he used cutting-edge technology and real-time monitoring. Modern sensors and artificial intelligence are used by this digital boss to make the workplace safer. Shenhao Digital Safety Supervisor gives companies a lot of information that helps them deal with safety issues before they happen. This information ranges from finding hazards to making sure employees are safe. Come with us as we look into how Shenhao has made the workplace much safer and more private. 1. Styropor. Styropor is a well-known brand in the building industry that offers high-quality insulation options that change the way buildings work and how much energy they use. Styropor insulation boards are made to meet the strictest industry standards, making sure they provide the best thermal insulation and protection to moisture. Come with us as we look at how Styropor insulation can be used professionally in building projects. Styropor sets the bar for durability and energy efficiency in both home and business projects. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a more in-depth look at how Styropor is changing the professional insulation industry.